Hello, Father Joseph Espaillat here, Director of Youth Ministry from the Archdiocese of New York, here with reBuild 6.0. I am inviting you to join us on March 20th, 12 p.m. or 7 p.m. Central Time, and we will be talking about shepherds and flocks, and I'm basing the talk on our Holy Father's new apostolic exhortation, Evangelii Gaudium, and suggestions that he has there for us, especially as youth ministers, on how to be shepherds and how to be a part of the flock. So don't miss it, join us, and we'll see you there. Peace.